Good morning, guys. So I'm going to go over example 2. Example 2 in the book, page 479. And it is one of the PDF example that I shared with you this morning. So if you look at the main triangle, the big triangle, you see there's AC, which is 5.5, a CB is 3.1, CD is H, AB is 6.3. We don't know AD, as you can see, and we don't know DB. Don't get confused. So I'm going to break my triangles again. When I break my triangle as we did earlier, I'm just going, you see AC was 5.5, I put 5.5. CB was 3.1, I put 3.1. And the hypotenuse AB is 6.3. And I go to the medium triangle. When I go to the medium triangle, I see AC again is 5.5. CB, CD is H. I'm going to put H again. And the long side, I don't know it. And I go to the small triangle. Even though I didn't draw one smaller than the other, but you understand what I'm saying. So when I go to the smaller triangle, as a CD is H, as you see, CD is H in all three. CB is 3.1 in all three, and DB is the short one. So now I'm going to set up my ratio. As you see in the main triangle or the large triangle, all three sides are known. But what side am I looking for? I'm looking for H, which is the short side. So therefore, I have to use the short side in one of the proportion. If I have to use the short side in one of the proportion, so pretty much what I have to do, if I have to use the short side, either I do a H, let me do the process I usually do. When I go for the hypotenuse, you doing this one, hypotenuse over, I'm looking for the short on this one. If I'm using that triangle and the main triangle, this become my short. If I'm using the main triangle and this triangle, this become my long. So let me use hypotenuse over short. So if I'm doing hypotenuse over short, I'm going to set up two ratios. When I set up my ratios, so what is the hypotenuse in that triangle? 6.3. That's 6.3. What is the short side in that triangle? 3.1. So 3.1. Now I go in the other triangle that I'm using. What is the hypotenuse in that triangle? 5.5. 5.5. And what is the short side in this one is H. Now it's just become a matter of cross multiplication now. 6.3H, 6.3H equal 5.5 times 3.1. I don't have a calculator with me. I'm not going to do the multiplication. Now I'm going to divide by 6.3 here. Divide this side by 6.3. So once I put it in the calculator, H got to give me 2.7. 2.7. Simple as that. And the example you have to do in the big ideas or delta math are similar to this one. Thank you.